Hi friends, before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever I publish a new video. Home Remedies presents Drink this miraculous tea to cure fibromyalgia, rheumatoid arthritis, Hashimoto, multiple sclerosis. Did you know that during that time, thyme has been utilized for some sicknesses, from flu to epileptic seizures? It was frequently blended with a balance of lavender and sprinkled on the floors of houses of worship in the Middle Ages to kill any undesirable smells. Thyme has also been used against infections or wounds. People would just crush a little bit of it and put it on the area where they have a problem. Thyme is known to contain different volatile essential oils which possess antifungal, antiviral, anti-parasitic, antiseptic, and anti-rheumatic properties. Using thyme regularly can also help people with more serious health problems like rheumatoid arthritis, vertigo, lupus, multiple sclerosis, Hashimoto's thyroiditis, tinnitus, fibromyalgia, and chronic fatigue syndrome. Drinking only 1 cup of thyme tea each morning will make a great difference in case you have got any of these health problems. This amazing herb contains an abundance of minerals and vitamins like calcium and iron that we need in order to have a normalized blood pressure, good creation of red blood cells, antioxidants in our body, etc. Thyme also contains vitamins like C, B complex, and A as well as folic acid. It contains thymol, which is among the best essential oils known as antioxidants, but it's also full of different bioflavonoids. Thyme is abundant in ursolic and rosmarinic acids that are terpenoids. Terpenoids can help us fight against cancer cells and prevent cancer. Various scientific studies have already shown that when people intake thyme regularly, they have an increased amount of an omega-3 fatty acid called docosahexaenoic acid or DHA, which is especially beneficial for our heart, brain and kidneys. As I have already mentioned, its essential oils are very beneficial because they are abundant in powerful bronchial, expectorant and antispasmodic properties which can help you against throat infections, mouth inflammation, laryngitis, asthma, sore throat, gingivitis, coughs, chronic and acute bronchitis. The method of preparation of the tea is very simple. Place 2 teaspoons of dried thyme per cup of water, 250 ml in your teapot. If you prefer to use fresh thyme leaves, then place about 3 to 4 teaspoons of fresh leaves per cup of water in the teapot. Pour the boiling water into your teapot and let the thyme steep for about 10 to 15 minutes. If you found this video useful, hit that like button to give it more value, and don't forget to share on your social networks so that other people can benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.